Alright. Just gonna turn this on. Get it blinking. I want to fray this out a little bit. This one too. Make sure this GoPro's facing y'all. Yeah. Facing the right direction. Fray those babies out. Give them a little dunk in some of this. Oh yeah. It's I call it a paste. Soldering paste. I forget what else it was. A flux. I think it's called flux paste or something. But this shit works good. So you thread it like that. And then we'll give it a twist. Give it a good twist. Come on. Get this one out of the way. That's it. Now, oh, don't touch that part. Oh, it felt like it was loose though. Clean my tip. Get a little solder on there. Dab a little on the top. Whoa, a little shaky. Alright, we'll dab a little on top and then shove it on the bottom. And then I'll see if we can feed this. Oh yeah, all over this wire, baby. Look at that. That's it. Done. Looks like that one's a little bit better. Let me get some more on this. Add a little more on there. Now we're looking good. Turn that back off. I'm done. Just gotta get a lighter. Take the pliers and squeeze a little bit. It will not hurt. Just a little squeeze to shape it a little tighter. Man, that is beautiful. That's a nice solder. Alright. Now I need a lighter.